Good afternoon, people. We're gonna give you a little view of my bike and a little view of my storage trailer for it and my little workshop that I have inside my storage trailer. So let's go around and we'll tell you what we've done. And the first thing we'll give you is my signal lights. You see one side is white and the other side is blinking. Well, when it's not giving the turn signal, it turns to white. And that is LEDs in that. And then we have the little pouch. HID bulb in there, in the headlight and the visor. On the front we have polished the lower legs of the bike to chrome, and we have a Memphis Shades windshield and the little bat wings that go along with the windshield. So let's go to the rear now. We have the Kellerman signal lights. They're quite bright and tiny. We have a chrome license plate frame, and the rear is 160 LED bulbs in the unit. And it gives with the gray lens like in the front and the little pouch. Okay, let me turn the lights off here. We have a Corbin seat there, and let's go to the instrument cluster and everything. Drag specialty, mini tachometer, a clock, we have here Atlas cruise control, and the helmet locks I got, one on each side for helmets, because when I got my bags on I can't get to those helmet holders. New mirrors. The windshield is removable very easy by just undoing the tabs. Real easy. Now, on the front down here we have the oil coolers. As you can see, two of them, one on each side, and a washable oil filter on the bottom. Now here's some expensive stuff. These chrome head cleaners. And that's the horn right there. Now the chrome head cleaners came out of Germany. We have a thermostat that works on the dipstick. I have chromed the side panels. They were expensive too. With a Corbin seat. These are silvertail pipes. They come out of Italy. Really nice sounding. I'll start it out up after. And I put Kuryakyn pegs on the rear and the front. And the fronts fold out. Just like, oop, let me get it. Like so. Under the Corbin seat is a new electronic panel. You can set some switches so the bike runs better. And that horn is quite loud, as you heard it. On the front also, I have changed the brake caliper. That is a 6-pot, and it only came with a 2-pot. So I got more stopping power on it. Progressive springs have been done on the rear and the front. All have progressive springs on the bike. It's got heavier clutch springs in it that I put in. And here's a bullet key switch. The drive shaft has been covered in chrome, and same with the battery box below. And the battery box holds a lithium-ion battery, and that is really good. A quicker start, hotter spark. I really like it. And you don't have to take it out. This bike's kind of a bitch to take the battery out, so you don't have to take it out in the winter. Just leave it in the bike. In the spring, it always starts. Michelin Commander 2 tires, Syntec brakes on it all the way around. Just changed the pads on this bike about 2 weeks ago. I'm trying to think what else I've done to the bike. There's 50 some things. USB charger there, as you can see. Let me think. 50 some things I've done to it, and I can't remember them all. I'm just going off the top of my head here. I use Motul oil in it, the red stuff. It's the best one. And I like the red stuff. Shows up better on a dipstick, for Christ's sakes. Geez. What else? I shaved emblems off the tank. Got them off. No damage. Just was held on by two-sided tape. And I prefer them without. That Corbin seat is really comfortable. I love it. Geez, wish I could tell you more, but I can't. I can't remember everything that I've done. Well, here's the trailer. I did all the graphics on it. I am the fringe minority and ride safe. Subscribe to the Canadian Motorcycle Show. And I put those flags on the front. I bought the trailer new. It's only gone about 15 miles, this trailer. So here's the inside. I put this flooring on. Underneath the flooring, I painted the floor first, and I made the ramp. And I bought this silver lip ramp for over top. There's lots of tie downs in this. I put on the tie downs over here on this side, and That's my battery operated power tools and everything. I got a tool chest, my wrenches. That little vise you see on that bench, you wouldn't believe how much I use it. That's my little workbench I made for the trailer. And I got a LED light up top. Let me see from everything. Oh yeah, K&N filters are in my bike. There's 2 of them, one for each carburetor. That's a Bad Boy Rollo horn that's on the bike. Can't remember all. I got a little 6-gallon, 150 PSI compressor. Yeah, I got a little bit of stuff in here because I gotta replace my front on my Jeep. And there's headlights and signal lights in here and a whole bunch of stuff I don't need. That's my helmet. I don't mind it. Even got pictures up. That's when I rolled my Vulcan, went down with a trailer behind, a tent trailer. That hurt. This was a picture before the accident with my tent trailer. And here's a picture after. I put new pipes on it. I did a lot of work to fix that bike up. It was just cosmetic damage, but it still took a lot. I had to buy new rear bags, and they came out of China, and they were complete fiberglass, beautiful bags with some chrome on them, and the insides were all lined. Just a gorgeous bag. I loved it. But I had to buy lots. All the engine guards I had to get, front bumper, headlight was all smashed on it. The windshield was smashed. Had to get a new windshield. Did a complete paint job. It was a very deep burgundy with lots of sparkle in it. It was a beautiful bike, but it got too heavy for me. I got diabetes and I just couldn't handle the weight anymore. Here's a parts cabinet I got. My screwdrivers up on the wall. Most of the stuff is from Canadian Tire I buy. It's not that expensive. And that is the inside of my trailer. There you go. Bulletin board. Everything I need. Floor jack. That's my saddlebags when I go on a trip. I don't keep them on otherwise. And we'll show you the back end of the trailer. There's the back end. It's a cargo made trailer. Nice trailer, good size for me to do what I want to do to the bike. It's got a side door on it. Yeah, those tires have only gone about 15 miles and that's it. And I did graphics on this side also. So I like it. So there's my little, well, it's not little, it's a 1400cc. It runs really well. All the hoses have been changed in it, brake, fuel, every hose. I really maintain the heck out of it. I love it. Good bike. Okay, that is it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.